In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Lenovo laptop keyboard not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is restart your Lenovo laptop. Save any open work, then click Start, Power, and Restart. Once Windows reloads, test the keyboard again. Now, temporary software glitches are often resolved with a restart. Next thing you can do is check for a keyboard lock shortcut. Now, some Lenovo models have function key combinations that can affect keyboard behavior. So press Fn plus escape to toggle the Fn lock, and then try pressing a few letter and number keys. If your laptop has a keyboard disabled shortcut, press it again to re-enable the keyboard. The next thing that you can go ahead and do is press turn off filter keys. So what you want to do is open up your settings, then click on accessibility, which is going to be on the left. Then we're going to go over and find keyboard. And if you have filter keys or sticky keys on, you want to go ahead and turn these off and then test the keyboard again, because keys can sometimes make the keyboard appear unresponsive. After that, you should be good to go.